Howdy friends, Wil Reynolds here for another Wasteful Wednesday. This Wednesday, we're going to talk about acronyms. They're not your friends. So let's go over and show you how acronyms could be jacking up your ROI in your paid search accounts. Let's go. So what you'll see here is HCM. And Google believes that is about hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. But it obviously also means something else because we've got companies like Oracle and iSolvedHCM.com and Microsoft spending a lot of money to show up for this word. And Google thinks it might mean something else. This is why, my friends, you want to bring down your search terms, calculate the length, and make sure that you're not showing up for some words that might mean something different in one industry than another. All right, so let's go for another word. BPM, beats per minute, duh, or not. BPM, online courses, compare BPM products. Going after broad words like this will crush your damn ROI. And that will result in you saying something like, paid search doesn't work. But it could. I also am going to remind you, there are times where you're going to want to break down those search terms into separate unigrams and then look at those words. Let me show you an example of how it can creep up on you and mess with your ROI. All right, so here I'm looking at Navy ERP jobs. I'm not sure that SAP wants to pay like $30 a freaking click. Like who wants to pay $30 a click or whatever it costs for that query? Not me. The Navy, people are looking for jobs at the Navy. All right, so this Wasteful Wednesday is about acronyms. They ain't your friends. See ya.